The effort in battleground Pennsylvania to shut down Elon Musk's million-dollar giveaways hitting a snag tonight. Musk a no-show in court today despite an order from the judge, as his legal team now tries to fend off a civil suit brought by Philadelphia's Democratic DA, which accuses the tech billionaire and his pro-Trump super PAC of operating an unlawful lottery.
This is a case that involves state law issues.
Lawyers for Musk fighting back, successfully getting the case put on ice for now by filing paperwork to move it over to federal court. Musk under scrutiny for potentially interfering with the federal election, since announcing he'd randomly award prize money on a daily basis to swing state voters who sign a pledge in favor of First and Second Amendment rights.
If you already believe in the Constitution, you're just signing something you already believe, and you can win $1 million.
The Justice Department sending a warning letter last week that the giveaway could be illegal, as federal law prohibits paying people to register to vote. But no criminal charges have been filed.
Take over, Elon, just take over.
This as Musk remains one of former President Trump's most visible and energetic supporters this election.
I think this election, I think it's the most important election of our lifetime.
Frequently sharing pro-Trump content with his 200 million plus followers on X. And researchers say since taking the reins of what was formerly Twitter, he's made changes that's resulted in more far-right content being amplified. His PAC now running an aggressive get-out-the-vote operation. Tonight, his swing state sweepstakes climbing to $13 million winners and counting. Laura Jarrett, NBC News.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.